Hi, I'm Matthew Lloyd. I'm the Haileybury Head Football Coach of the first 18 of Australian Rules Football. I've been involved in the Haileybury First Boys team for about 11 years. I started out just in a very much a small role, assisting in training, but now it's developed into a real passion of mine and overseeing and running the whole program and coaching the first 18 on game day. My own experiences was a tough one. I was drafted to the Essendon Football Club at the end of my Year 11 year, so I had to juggle both AFL football, my first season, and also Year 12 studies. I was feeling the pressure from both my school to be there, to represent my school playing, to represent my school academically, but then also to try and forge a career for myself at AFL level. So you probably don't do either thing well enough. Certainly if I had this opportunity to be at a school like Haileybury Pangea, it would have made things so much easier for me to be able to do online and have access to the teachers while also be able to train. So if you're an athlete or an actor or somebody who's in stage, I can't recommend the school more highly for the opportunities to be at a wonderful school with so many great resources and the best of the best and still not take away from your career.